Hi, Rachelle here with Keller Williams Legacy One Realty. Wanted to give you a reminder about my open house today, Saturday, August 25th, and tomorrow, Sunday, August 26th from 11 to 2. I'm going to be here at this beautiful former model home here in Victoria neighborhood at Queen Creek. You can actually walk to the Queen Creek Marketplace, which is really great. So this home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 2,300 square feet with a really open concept. So I would really love it if you would stop by to see me. The address is 20250 East Escalante Road in Queen Creek, and like I said, the Victoria neighborhood. Stop on by, see me today or tomorrow. I'll be here from 11 to 2. Check out this beautiful former model home, never been lived in, open floor plan. Check out this kitchen, guys. If you can't make it tomorrow, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can call me, text me, email, send a personal message, leave a comment below, and we can schedule another time. And if this house isn't the one for you, there's lots of others available. So I'd love to talk with you further about this option or some other. So I hope I can see you guys either today or tomorrow, and have a great day.